Hi, I'm Chris Brooks, the development chef here at OAL, and today we're going to be cooking Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce sits in the hotspot of our steam infusion application matrix because it's a high-fat, creamy, viscous sauce where we can achieve fat reductions with zero impact on taste or texture. Now this is great for food manufacturers because you're able to tap into the healthy eating megatrends whilst manufacturing sauces highly efficiently. So, if you're using a traditional steam jacketed kettle, we should be able to reduce the amount of fat in your Hollandaise sauce by up to 20%. This means a cleaner deck product that's traffic lights are much more appealing to a health conscious consumer. We do this because of the high speed mixing conditions we create in the cooking vessel with the steam infusion vacuum unit. In this video I'm going to explain how to do this with steam infusion, sharing findings from a £1 million Innovate UK research project with the University of Lincoln. If you'd like to know more, you can download our white paper that explains how to process dairy-based sauces with steam infusion. So this is how you make 300 kilos of healthy creamy Hollandaise sauce with steam infusion. Initially we're going to melt the butter using the cooking kettle steam jacket. Once melted, we're going to add all the other ingredients: onion puree, mustard, salt and pepper, egg, white wine vinegar, lemon juice, white wine and cream. This has been reduced from the original recipe. We're then going to turn the steam infusion lance on and start to heat and mix the product. You can see the amount of mixing and turbulence the vacuum unit generates in the vessel. This is because we accelerate steam very quickly into the product, creating a partial vacuum that pumps the sauce through the vacuum unit. It's this unique mixing environment that prevents burn onto the sauce and creates a fat mimetic, so we can reduce the fat with zero change to taste and texture. By varying the steam pressure, we can change the operating conditions within the unit. So at 70 degrees, when we add our 3% starch solution, we switch to our gentle cooking mode that introduces steam slowly, preserving starch integrity. This mode is great for particulate products too. For instance, we can pass cherries through the unit without damaging their structure. And that completes the cook in under 10 minutes for a 400 kilo Hollandaise sauce. Imagine how much more sauce you could make in your factory with steam infusion lance, especially when you see how easily we clean down with no burn on or fouling of the vessel. We can easily clean the vessel with just a hose. If you like what you've seen, why don't you come down and trial your own products at our steam infusion test centre.